Hi guys, James Rogers here from Horan Bird Energy. Today I'm here with Adrian Zarb, the owner of CRT Mt Ossa Rural, and we're just discussing Adrian Zarb's net zero energy journey that he's on. Thanks for your time, Adrian.
No worries, James.
Yeah. Mate, just if you wouldn't mind giving some background on your stores and how long you've been in operation and any new stores you've set up recently.
Yep, we've had here for 20 years now, 22 years, and we're just opening another store up at Bloomsbury. That'll be our 4th store.
Awesome.
And we've got a cafe here and also a farm down the road. Keeps us busy.
Yeah, very busy. Mate, while we're on the solar, do you mind giving us some feedback on the size of the systems you have installed and how they've been working for you over the last couple of years?
Yeah.
You have over 200 kilowatts of solar installed?
Yep, yeah. And slowly building them up and trying to get our power price under control. We've set some solar sheds up down on the farm to power our centre pivot up and do our irrigating down there. And even here, just at the shop here, the power bill keeps going up. So I think we're about 25,000 in savings now since James has got it all sorted out for us.
Awesome, that's great, mate. I think it's a great achievement. Adrian and Michelle have worked really hard and they've fast-tracked their net zero energy journey. They're actually across all their retail sites and across all of their farming sites, they've actually achieved net zero on their energy consumption, which is one of the first farmers in Australia and in the region to do that, which is just great. It's great to see CRT leading from the front and really leading the charge. It's just great to see. So, Adrian, what are some upgrades that you'll be doing here in the near future to continue on the net zero energy journey with Horan Bird and Juice Capital?
Yeah, so we want to try to get it down a bit more at Mt Ossa here with the night power. So we're going to get some batteries organised, and that should help with that, and also a charger to, if people start getting electric cars, they can charge them up. Yeah,
no, that's great. I think the batteries here will work really well. They're going to help you stay under that 100 megawatt hour per annum threshold and keep your daily connection fees down nice and low for you.
Yep.
The batteries are also going to give you backup power supply to a few of your circuits here to keep your business running and operational when we have network upgrades over the coming years.
Yeah.
So that's really cool.
That will help out. Yeah.
Yeah. And the EV charger we're looking to install here soon for Adrian will help speed up the transition to electric vehicles, and it will also help bring more business into Adrian's site here as he goes. So we're very excited to work alongside CRT here, and well done to the team at CRT for achieving net zero energy certification so early on 2022. It's great work.
And thank you, James, for giving us all the support and help, and Horan Bird. It's been excellent.
Awesome.
Good on you, mate.
Thanks very much. Thanks, Adrian.